This camera is a little something different that I added to. I have 50-mile trip one way each day, so 100-mile round trip to work, and I spend a lot of time on the road early in the morning and stuff. So I added this camera to just capture just drivers behind me because sometimes people drive a little crazy, and I just ran this wire down this way and put it in here, and that camera has a chip in it, so it basically records things for a few hours, and then it cycles through. So if I ever have any issue, it'll at least catch what the drivers behind me were doing and license plate numbers, things like that.